Hello people, and yep guys, my name is Zach, and this is my first video, or is it my second one? I think it's my first video, guys, and I'm not really sure, but my name is Zach, and guys, this is my YouTube channel, so I'm quite new with YouTube again. So yeah, this is my avatar version. So party blocks that we guys here at the party game. I forgot his name. So I think it was Party Boom. Party Boom? I don't know, but a lot of people want to cry. Okay, that's weird. Because a lot of people is gray here. Okay, this guy is not gray. That guy's not gray. But this one is gray. A lot of people are gray. Why? Yeah, someone's matching hats to me. I say it like that, but it's great. Okay, guys. So hi, and my name is Zach. So yeah, my name is Zach, and you guys have this, and let me know if there's this. Okay, yeah. So I'm just looking here. I'm scrolling to my phone. Yeah, I'm scrolling to TikTok, guys, and I want to show you guys my TikTok. Okay, let's get it. TikTok right now, guys. Gotta get TikTok on the clock. If you guys didn't know my TikTok, it's Zach. Echolinus27. So follow me on there. Yep. Okay. So it seems like the party is starting now. Okay. I don't have dance moves, so I'm gonna go here. I'm just getting dance moves myself because I don't have dance moves. I don't use my dance moves a lot, so yeah, so I'm gonna do this. What's this? Okay, so okay, what do we want? So I'm gonna choose dance from here, guys, because I don't. And not supposed to X, that X. Okay. That looks cool. Okay. A little bit skinny, guys. Don't worry about that. Okay. One. Next one is this one. If you love me now. I carry on. So we're gonna see what I got, guys. It didn't work a lot. So yep, check right here. Come on, this thing is so slow. I hate it. I hate this thing. I hate this thing. This thing is so slow. Oh, come on. Okay, now we're gonna have to wait 2 hours for this thing to work. Okay, I got one. There's the other one, and then the last one. Okay, so I'm gonna walk through the. These people are really in my battle. What is it? Who are you? Oh my god. Okay, he said who are you? Let's get started. This guy's totally right. Is he slow man? He's slow man. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go to the kitchen. Did I have pizza? Pizza. Oh my god. Is this French fries? This is a plate. Okay, this is okay. I'm gonna start getting. Yeah, okay, I don't think that's the way. I think I'm gonna go up. How do you get in with this? Oh my god, how do you get in there? Is this a cage or something? How do you get in there? I think you're here in this cage, like, that's the way out. That's the way out, and then you just leave the game. How do you get in there? Wait, you press this button. Wait, that's a telephone. That's a telephone. Okay, I'm gonna eat my popcorn. Rather. Yeah, wow! Okay, I think this is the way. Yeah, this is the way, guys. How did they get in there? Oh, they went this way. Nope, they didn't. They didn't. How did they get in there? There's people in there. How did they even get in there? Oh my God, people help me! I also want to go through. Oh my God, how did they get in there? Okay, I'm thinking about it. Oh, I'm in the bathroom. How did you get in there, people? How do you think? How did they literally get in there? Like, how? 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 How did these people get in there? I just don't know how they got in there, but the other person's also trying to get in there. I'm gonna record this right now, and I'm gonna post it on TikTok, guys. I'm gonna post it on TikTok right now. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got it. I don't remember nothing. I just jiggled in it. Oh. Okay. To wait. To. Okay. In TikTok, I'm gonna show you guys that. As you can see. Okay, I posted it right there again. So I'm gonna go check out. I'm gonna go make some friends. Wrong way into the bathroom again. Okay, okay, I'm gonna just say hi. Let's say hi for now. This is open this chat. I'm gonna say hi. Hi, I'm just saying hi. Say hi and then. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I spelled it wrong. Weird. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna spell for no reason. Yeah, what was it? W R R you are you. Okay, guys. Another white guy is here. Oh my gosh, I hate the white people. Okay, so this guy. It's him. Nope, not him. Oh, her. Wasn't him. Oh, was it? That's the white guy who sent me that email. Okay, I'm gonna step on the table. Yeah. I'm gonna step on this cookie. It's like I'm gonna eat this person's cookie. It's not here. I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Time to eat it, guys. And no one's gonna have it anymore. Haha. Oh my gosh, that thing is squished. Okay. Go. It's just saying that the whole time if you guys can hear me. Go. Meaning what? Oh, there's math. There's math here. There's math. How do you get in here? There's a bar of stupid stuff in here. There's just people in there now. Oh my gosh. And but guys, I think that's gonna be the end for this video. Yep. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.